Hello everyone, my name is Priscilla Ngana. This is my Teach 1 assignment for class HAP 725 taught by Professor Farrokh Alemi here at George Mason University. For this assignment, I will be answering question 4 on probability and distribution. Question 4 asks us the following. Plot the relationship between rate of complications for hip knee replacements and pressure scores. Use a scatter plot in Python. Have the rate of complications as x-axis and pressure scores as y-axis. The hospital complications and deaths data set can be obtained by clicking Download CSV flat files on the website data.medicare.gov. A zip file will then be downloaded and the correct data set can be found. In this case, we will be using complications and deaths-hospital. There are 4 main steps that can be followed to create the desirable scatter plot. The very first step is to import all the libraries necessary to manipulate, analyze, and visualize the data. In this case, we need to import 2 main libraries. The first one is Pandas, which is a Python library that allows us to load, prepare, manipulate, and analyze the data. The second library is matplotlib, which is a visualization and plotting library here in Python. I have gone ahead and done step 1 by importing Pandas as PD and importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. The second step is to actually read the data. We need to load and read the previously saved data set into Python. In doing so, we can also preview and have an overall summary of information. I have gone ahead and done step 2. In order to load and read the data, I used pd.read_excel. In order to have a summary and preview of information, I use data.head 5 to give me information on the first 5 rows in the data set, as well as data.info to provide information such as the total number of columns and the total number of rows and so on. For the purpose of this assignment, we will be using the score and the rate to plot the relationship. The third step is to create the scatter plot. In order to achieve this, we use plt.scatter x-axis, y-axis. So in this case, plt.scatter data x-axis, which is the rate, data y-axis, which is the score. plt.show allows the plot to be seen in the output, so on the right-hand side. Step 4 is adding labels and additional changes to the plot. To add the title, plt.title can be used. To add x and y labels, plt.xlabel and plt.y label can be used. Additionally, we can change the color as well as the size of the graph. So I have done so by giving you an example where I have chosen the color green and the size 15 simply by adding s equals 15 and color equals G for green. By following the 4 main steps, we are able to obtain the plot showing the relationship between the rate of complications for hip knee replacements and pressure scores. I really hope you enjoyed this presentation and learned how to successfully create a scatter plot in Python. Thank you.